I could go outside when they be like, oh, you ain't got no makeup on. I'm gonna be lying. I'm like, no, I ain't got no makeup on, girl. Like, what is you talking about? What is you talking about? Like, let's be for real here. Like, do I look like I got makeup on? Do I look like I got makeup on? If you say I look like I got makeup on right now, you're a liar.
Said you don't know mama's getting hot. Got her bills to drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna go over and unbox the It Cosmetics PR box that they sent me. Now let me open the box. This is their new CC Plus Natural Matte. Hold on, let me put it up so y'all can see for real. Can y'all see? Boom, yeah. So this is how it's supposed to look, the before and after. Boom. Now this is inside the box, y'all. Like, look. Focus. Boom. So this is how it inside the box come and say don't cake, don't wear it. So okay, so basically I'm thinking like this is if you want to do like a no makeup type of routine, this is the stuff, this is what you would use. Because I believe from what I read on the box, well, from what I skimmed through on the box, that it has sunscreen on it, and that's the SPF 40. So that's what it has in there. And clearly it's 4 boxes. So I'm actually gonna go through the boxes and see what's in them. Y'all, it's so hard to open it. Okay, so the first one is their Neutral Rich. Can y'all see? I'm trying to get y'all to see it real quick. Okay. There we go. It's so hard to get the damn thing focused. So yeah, the first one is the Neutral Rich. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup, but like just nothing else but this product. But I'm gonna use primer, but I'm not doing lashes, eyebrows, because I want to see what it's really giving. Like if it's gonna give like, yeah, I just woke up and threw a little do on, right? Like, yeah, that's what it's gonna get. All right, the second one is in the shade Deep Honey. Boom. Yup. That's the second one. And I think this packaging is so cute, y'all. Like, just so cute. And this one comes in Deep. Can y'all see? Yeah, it comes in Deep. Okay. Now we're gonna open the last box. And the last box is it's a brush. So this is how the brush looks. I'm trying to make sure. Yeah, this is how we looking with the brush. It's so cute. And this is a airbrush essential. Let me take this off. All right, so out of the 3 shades so far, I think Deep Honey is more so like, Deep Honey is looking like my complexion, and it's this one right here. But we're gonna go through it, we're gonna swatch it, and then we're gonna see what it's really giving. But first, no, I'm not gonna prime yet. Duh, that's not smart. So first we're gonna swatch, then when we pick the shade, then I'll whatchamacallit. Excuse me, y'all, my bad. I was recording a video for TikTok too, so I gotta make sure the swatch is on there. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna swatch them or whatever, and then I'll choose like, and then I'll do my makeup from there. It's supposed to be on 10 minutes. Let me make sure it's on 10 minutes. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's on 10. I think I'm gonna do this side, because on this side I have my birthmark, which is way lighter than my face, so it'll be smart just to do that side. And my hands are clean. I need to get a makeup wipe, yeah, real quick. And this is the shade I'm trying first, and this one is Deep Honey. So this is Deep Honey. I'm just gonna, oh, it comes right out actually. So let's see. Okay, so that's Deep Honey. I told y'all Deep Honey was gonna be like more like my shade type shit. Type stuff, like, yeah. Okay. I think I know a little sign. Alright, so the next one we're gonna try is, I should open it first. The next one we're gonna do is Deep. So I'll wipe that off. The next shade we're gonna do is Deep. Deep, deep. Dang, I don't want to mess with my curls. Alright. And I like that it comes right out. Like, you ain't gotta pump a whole bunch of times to get the product out. Okay, so this is Deep. Oh. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute, y'all. I think, it's looking kind of orangey, though. Or maybe it has to sit a little bit more. Okay. We're just gonna let that sit right there for ooh. We're gonna let that sit right there for a little bit, and we're gonna move on to the last one. And then we're gonna choose from there, because I'm still leaning towards Deep Honey, because then Deep is giving a little bit orangey, right? I think so. Okay, and this last one is Neutral Rich. Y'all, I'm scared. Okay, I was about to say, yeah, you want to come out. All right. Aww. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely not me. Yeah. Okay, I already knew that was gonna be too light. I'm trying to see that if I fan it dry a little bit. Okay, so this is how all three shades is looking on my face. And so far, I'm still leaning towards, Deep, what's that? Deep Honey? Y'all, yeah, I'm leaning more towards Deep Honey. But then, I'm like, dang, I want to, but then, this is Deep. Deep Honey, Deep. This is giving me a little bit of, I don't know, it looked like it'll fit, but this one matches my neck more. Like, Deep Honey matches my neck more, and that's what we gotta go by. I don't know if it's coming off a little bit too strong on here because of all the lights, but yeah, y'all, I think I'm gonna go with Deep Honey, and then I'm gonna come back. Yeah, so let me just wipe this off. Maybe I should do like a bigger swatch. What? Y'all, my birthmark has spread. OD. What in the world? Wait a minute. Okay, that was just random, but why is my birthmark spreading like that, y'all? I'm confused. Am I turning albino? Okay, so we're gonna prime first, right? Ooh, and I'm using Bare Minerals. Ooh, okay. This is my first time using their primer, and this is their their Prime Time Original Pore Minimizing Primer. Y'all, I don't know if slow or what, but it's like I'm getting tongue-tied, tongue twisted. I'm not gonna put no primer on my okay. Fan it. Okay, we're gonna go with Deep Honey. Cause I do. Oh, you know, so crazy. I should have did it on this side because my damn birthmark shows more on that side. But I'm thinking, like, the camera was switched, but my birthmark was spread so much. I'm like, wait, it's on this side. How did we get so far? Like, okay. We're not gonna find anything else to stress about right now. Absolutely not. All right, so this is the neutral rich, y'all. Okay. I'm not gonna open that brush because I don't want to dirty it. I want to use that for something else. But at least y'all seen that we got it. That I got it. So I'm just gonna do a 1, Okay. Because I don't think it's supposed to use a lot. And are you supposed to like just put it on your face like that? I don't think you're supposed to do that either. Y'all do as I say, not as I do. Ooh, look, that's how true it is. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so I know what I'm talking about. Wait, hold on now. Okay. Okay, so I ended up putting the neutral brown on the neutral. What is it? What if it was? The Deep Honey. Yeah, Deep Honey's the one that I went with, and y'all, I know what I'm talking about. No, oh, hold on now. Low battery. What in the world? Is this still recording? Nope. Okay, yeah, that low battery thing had popped up, but yeah, this is Deep Honey. Right, let me make sure I said it right. Yep, Deep Honey. And I know what I was talking about. This is the perfect shade. And I didn't even use a lot, y'all. Oh gosh. I'm gonna just put a little bit more. And I know we're not supposed to. And look, I had I have a dark mark right there from a damn pimple, and you can't even see it no more. Ooh, let me bring that down. Bring it down to your neck. Bring it down to your neck. Bring it down to your neck. Okay. I know what I'll be doing this winter. I'll be using this for sure. Cause sometimes I don't want to be putting all that damn makeup on, but I still want like you know, oh, my eyebrows not done, so well I just did them, but you know what I mean. Yes. Okay. Hold on. And I'm recording off my back camera on my phone, but y'all, hope. Wait a minute. Look at it. I think I blended it out perfectly. Yes. Just like that. I'm gonna lip gloss that. And this lip gloss I got from Family Dollar. I probably would line my lips, but not for right now. But yeah, this I really love it. Like I really like it. I really do like it. So I found my shade. If you a complexion like me, my shade was Deep Honey. Deep Honey was a shade for me. Okay? But thank you so much to It Cosmetics. Like, y'all did y'all big one with this one. Like, the girls, oh, I don't need makeup. I don't need all that makeup. Here. Take it. All right, y'all. I'm done. Make sure y'all get y'all some, okay? And like the video, let me know what y'all think. If you tried this product already, why y'all never put me on? Because I've never seen this on my For You page, like never ever. And then we're gonna have to have a talk, but yeah. Okay, y'all, yes, this is my shade. Like, let me give it a little bit up close and personal. Like, it looks like me. It literally looks like me. Let me fix y'all back. Yeah, it looks like me, y'all. And this is what, like, a lot of times this is just what I be wanting. I just want to look like me. Like, literally just want to look like me. And I'm like, okay, I can go outside when they be like, oh, you ain't got no makeup on. I'm gonna be lying. I'm like, no, I ain't got no makeup on, girl. Like, what is you talking about? Like, let's be for real here. Like, do I look like I got makeup on? If you say I look like I got makeup on right now, you're a liar. If you can sit there and say it look like I got makeup on right now, you're a liar. But that's because they did their big one, okay? They did their big one. It Cosmetics. Okay, you guys, we have reached the end of the video. I'm done. It's complete. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all let me know how y'all feel about the It Cosmetics like cream, because I love it. I'm gonna keep it on for a little bit just to see how I'm feeling and just to give it like a little wear. I'm gonna go outside, walk my dog. But other than that, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.